Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, silk beige MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation with voice command, advanced parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, Parktronic, dual clamp controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 38,003 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.